Hello! Are you one of those people who either forgets to eat lunch or simply sits at the desk and mindlessly stuffs food in your mouth? Let me tell you, working through lunch is a bad North American habit. Having no proper lunch break is neither good for you nor for the company. Nobody can be productive without a break, because allowing the brain to get a screen break and put a pause in your day is actually a productivity booster. I observe people in the same company, and here's what I see. One manager goes out for lunch every single day, and his team members know that he isn't available between 12 and 1. He sets a great example. Another manager in the office next to him eats lunch at her desk, and her co-workers know that she is always there and available. This can lead to pressure to do the same, potential resentment, and unhealthy expectations and workplace habits. Eating lunch at your desk is a concern because it can lead to overeating and unhealthy food choices. Desks are often breeding ground for germs and bacteria. It can and will increase your stress level. You don't have an opportunity to practice your social skills. It can lead to poor posture and back pain. If you are a manager, lead by example and make sure to give yourself the gift of a proper lunch break. It's good for your mental and physical well-being, and it's beneficial for your team members as well. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.